Hello everyone. Welcome to day 1 of Gut Reset in the Nutralite Live 360 Healthy Weight and Healthy Living program. I'm your host Chavi. Today marks the beginning of a journey where we will explore the philosophy and science of gut health for optimal weight and well-being. Have you ever experienced indigestion, gas or acidity after eating certain foods? These signals your body sends to alert you that it's time to take care of your gut health. So, what is gut reset? Think of it like a reboot for your gut. Over time, unhealthy practices can slow down nutrient absorption and cause issues like acidity, indigestion and gas. But with gut reset, we are replacing our bad habits with healthier ones to gradually heal and restore our gut's balance. Let's discuss carbohydrates, the macronutrient that plays a crucial role in your gut health. Carbohydrates can be classified into 3 types based on their structure. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates. They include glucose, fructose found in fruits, and galactose, which is found in milk. These monosaccharides can be found in table sugar, white rice, bread and processed foods, which are best consumed in moderation. Disaccharides are formed by 2 sugar units. They include maltose found in malt, sucrose found in table sugars, in cakes, pastries, cookies, etc. and lactose, which is found in milk. Consuming excessive amounts of these simple carbohydrates can lead to inflammation and gut imbalances. In contrast, complex carbohydrates known as polysaccharides are made up of multiple sugar units combined together. They are found in whole grains, fruits and vegetables. Complex carbohydrates provide a steady source of energy, support gut health and are essential part of our healthy plate. Setting healthy plate is the key to gut health. As already discussed in the previous video, 50% of your healthy plate should consist of fruits and vegetables, 25% of plant proteins, and the remaining 25% of complex carbohydrates. This balanced approach ensures you get enough amount of fiber and nutrients to support your gut health. When choosing foods for your healthy plate, be mindful of calorie control. While plant-based foods are rich in fiber, they can also come with higher calorie content. Supplement your fiber intake with Nutralite fiber. Consume it 30 minutes before your breakfast and dinner. Also include Nutralite pre and probiotic. To ensure a healthy gut environment, incorporate whole grains, plant-based foods and fermented foods into your diet while avoiding sugary beverages and alcoholic drinks. Remember, it's not just about the food we eat. Stress, sleep and circadian rhythm also plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy gut. Listen to your gut signals, manage stress, follow a sleep routine and maintain a healthy lifestyle to achieve optimal gut health. Stay healthy, stay mindful and stay committed. See you on day 2.